Hello friends and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we share simple ways to grow thriving plants naturally. Today, I want to talk about something most gardeners don't even realize they're doing, slowly ruining their soil with habits that seem helpful on the surface but can destroy the life underground over time. If you want a lush, productive kitchen garden, you have to start by protecting your soil's health. So let's look at a few easy ways to keep your soil living, balanced, and ready to nourish your herbs and vegetables. First, let's talk about overusing chemical fertilizers. Many store-bought fertilizers are high in synthetic nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. While they do give your plants a fast boost, they also harm beneficial microbes, earthworms, and fungal networks that create a naturally fertile ecosystem. Instead of relying on synthetic feeds, try making your own compost from kitchen scraps, leaves, and grass clippings. Compost slowly releases nutrients, improves soil texture, and feeds billions of microorganisms that work together to keep plants strong. Another common mistake is leaving your soil bare. Bare soil quickly loses moisture, becomes compacted, and erodes with every rainfall or watering. You can protect it simply by adding mulch. A layer of straw, shredded leaves, or even dried grass clippings keeps moisture in, regulates temperature, and encourages earthworms to come up and enrich the soil. If you grow herbs like basil or parsley in pots, mulching can also help prevent them from drying out between watering. One of the easiest ways to support living soil is by rotating your crops. Planting the same herbs or vegetables in the same spot year after year depletes specific nutrients and invites pests that specialize in that plant. Instead, rotate your crops or mix different species together. For example, basil and parsley pair well because they draw on different nutrients, and their scents can help deter pests naturally. Consider adding compost tea or natural soil inoculants to keep beneficial microbes thriving. Compost tea is as simple as soaking a small bag of compost in water for a couple of days, stirring occasionally, and then watering your plants with this nutrient-rich brew. This not only feeds your plants but also introduces billions of friendly microbes that protect roots and help break down organic matter into usable food. Finally, avoid excessive tilling, especially in small kitchen gardens. Tilling disrupts the delicate web of fungal hyphae and beneficial bacteria that hold your soil together. Instead, use a hand fork to loosen the surface gently if you need to aerate or mix in compost. Over time, your soil will become soft, crumbly, and full of life without heavy digging. If you found these tips helpful and want to keep your garden soil thriving for years to come, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss our herbal and gardening guides. Share this video with fellow gardeners who care about building a truly living soil. Let's grow health and abundance together, starting right under our feet.